Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Olight brand, the LR2 EOS. It's a 150 lumen tiny rechargeable keychain LED flashlight. Has an included micro USB cable, kind of cool looking. Never seen one like that. And this light is really bright. It has two settings, 150 lumens and 5 lumens. So the low setting could be used like to find your keys or go near a door so you can see it. And then the 150 lumens is pretty bright for walking your dog, let's say. This has a new 5-sided glowing CSP LED chip on there that delivers that 150 lumens. The on-off mode is utilizing a twist in the base, and when you charge it, you unscrew it out. I'll show you that. The dimensions of this, the length is 1.73 inches or 44 millimeters. The head diameter is 0.58 of an inch or 14.8 millimeters. The weight is only 0.46 of an ounce or 13 grams. It's all aluminum alloy. It has a 70 milliamp hour 3.7 volt lithium ion battery. I don't know how they fit all this in here with all the electronics. I'm going to show how to charge it, what the indicators work on there next. So to charge the i1R from Olight, you just use the supplied cable and you connect it to a USB port, and then it glows red while it is charging. And we'll let it charge and see what happens once it's fully charged. So now it's fully charged and you can see the LED has turned green. Let's continue going over some of the specs on here. It is waterproof. It's IPX8. I'm going to have a little chart for that. And you can have this underwater for 2 meters. And that's impressive. When you look at how this thing charges, the mechanism, you're going to be real impressed with it. Its impact resistance rating is 1.5 meters. That means you can drop it 1.5 meters on something like concrete and it won't affect it. It's 150 lumens and that'll last 15 minutes on that high setting. It shoots a beam up to 40 meters and it produces 400 candle power, or candela per square meter. It produces 400 at that setting. The second mode is 5 lumens. That's the low. And it'll last for 6 hours on that, and it's typically produces 20 candela per square meter. The maximum beam intensity is 400 candela, and the maximum beam distance is 40 meters. So let's take a look at this before I turn it on. If you rotate this counterclockwise, it pops out, and you have your micro USB port there and an LED status indicator, and I already demonstrated that. So that's really cool. This thing simply screws in then, and then you can see it went to the low setting, and if I go more clockwise, it goes to high. Very simple, and then off. Really clever. And this thing is so small and light, it's unbelievable. And you can see the gasket on there, and that gasket is what's given that waterproof seal on there, because it's compressing against the anodized aluminum. And you see it has a little hook, a little loop on there that you can put on your keychain. I mean, this is so small you're not even going to notice on your keychain and light, yet you have a very powerful light with this. And it also comes with a nice little instruction sheet that has all the specifications on there that I just read to you, and how to operate the device. So I'm going to be just showing it against my green screen so I can get an idea of the beam and one of my other rooms and see how it performs. So I'm going to show you the beam angle. I am at 10 feet away on my green screen right there. And you can see the circle it's producing. It's producing about a 5-foot diameter. And you can see the center is a little brighter. But what they did an amazing job on is how even that light is. A lot of flashlights have a real bright center and then they diminish on the outer portion. This is very even. I'm pretty impressed with that. Okay, now I'm in total darkness in my basement. I'm going to turn it on. And just look at that. Even something like 30, 40 feet away, that's impressive. For something that is so small, yet does a pretty good job of lighting up the area. So I can walk in total darkness here. Don't have a problem with that. So that's great. So what's my overall opinion about the Olight brand, the LR2 EOS? This 150 lumens tiny rechargeable LED keychain light. I love this product. This company makes some really unique LED flashlight, and this is definitely one of them. It's not that expensive, but what you're getting is a high quality bright light that's waterproof and just is about as cool as you can get for lights. So this is just as good as it gets in terms of quality. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you'll alert new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helps you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.